Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I want to show you the only AI chatbot tool you will ever need, okay? This is called ChatALL and it's hosted on GitHub. What ChatALL is you can chat with all the AI bots concurrently. That means at the same time, okay? Concurrently chat with ChatGPT, Bing, Bing Chat, Bard, which is Google's, Alpaca, Vincuna, Claude, ChatGLM, Moss, iFlytek Spark, and so on. Okay, so you can also go to GitHub to get the tool. You can also go to the website chatall.ai. Okay, chatall.ai takes you straight to the GitHub. So once you're here, this is the GitHub page. Okay, here's a screenshot of what the tool looks like. This is the features that's in the tool, and these are the supported bots on this tool. Okay, now they keep adding more, so more is coming. You can also upvote whichever chat bots you want added. So newer features, and here's some other features as well. Quick prompt mode, send the next prompt without waiting for the previous request to complete. You can store the chat history locally. Uh, just to protect your privacy. Highlight the response you like, delete the bad, automatically keep ChatGPT session alive, enable/disable any bots at any time, and so on. Okay, guys. It has dark mode, multi chats. Uh, these are coming, by the way. These aren't really in the program yet. These are just in the future, right? So you're gonna need some prerequisites before you can run the program. But basically, not every AI chatbot is free. So some AI chatbots, you're gonna need an account and you're gonna have to pay. But that's only optional, right? Because there are free AI chatbots. All right, so it's pretty simple to download and install. You just click on here, okay, or you can go up here. You can go to releases right here. Once you're at releases, you can download program. You have to click here, show all 22 assets. So if you're on Windows 11 64-bit edition, Windows 11 is only 64-bit. So you just click right here. You download the win-x64.exe file. You download it, install it. Now, as you can see, this program is frequently updated. Okay, so 10 hours ago, they released a new version 1.19.23. As you can see, 2 days ago it was version 1.19.22. So it's frequently updated. It's probably the best AI chatbot I've used. It's probably the only one you're gonna ever need. So let me run it really quick and show you how it is. Okay. Let me open it up and let me show it to you by enabling it in OBS. Give me a moment. There we go. When you run it, this is how it looks. Now these are just some, let me clean it up really quick. Clear all messages, yes. Now when you run it, it's gonna look like this. As you can see here at the bottom, this is ChatGPT. Of course, it's paid, right? Only paid Plus members can use GPT-4. Okay. So for this, you're gonna need a API key. Okay, these are the settings. As you can see, for some chatbots, you need an API key. For some, you have to log in. Now, I'm not really logged in, but these are by default selected. Okay, Bing, this one, and all these. So these are all the ones that are highlighted right here that are lit up are automatically on by default and they're free. So I'm going to search up what is ChatALL And I'm going to send that in. So for this one, Claude didn't find anything. Bing Chat is searching for it. So we have 3 over here. We got Bing Chat Creative, Bing Chat Balanced, and Bing Chat Precise. And as you can see, they're all giving us answers at the same time. So here we go. Bing Chat gave us ChatALL, an AI chatbot that shows you answers from various other chatbots available out there. So that's all I want to show you guys for today. ChatALL, it's free, it's open source. If you want to use other chatbots, you're gonna be paying, not paying ChatALL, but paying for those programs. And thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Peace.